nights, empty room, your shadow still in the gloom. I talk to walls, they know your name. Love burned out, just ashes and pain. I gave you all, you gave me scars. We were close, now we're far. Every promise fades away. In the smoke, I slowly decay. Broken echoes in my mind. Your voice haunted me every night. I loved you deep, I lost my soul. Now I'm walking this road alone. Rain falls down like my tears. I'm stuck reliving all those years. Your goodbye still cuts my chest. I gave my best, you took the rest. I trusted lies, I trusted you. Now my heart's black and blue. Memories fade, pain remains. I'm drowning deep in your name. Broken echoes in my mind. Your voice haunted me every night. I loved you deep, I lost my soul. Now I'm walking this road alone. Silence screams when you're gone. Love feels weak, pain feels strong. I'm still breathing, barely alive. Lost in thoughts I can't survive. Broken